Jai Hind children. Today in English grammar we'll be doing chapter 4 nouns. So in this chapter we'll be talking about the types of nouns, okay, the various types of nouns. So as you can see in the picture, I've listed down the types of nouns. So we have here common nouns, proper nouns, collective nouns, material nouns, abstract nouns, countable nouns, uncountable nouns, singular and plural nouns. So the first one is common nouns. A common noun is a noun that refers to people, places, or things in general. Okay, so that means any name given to a person, place, or thing in general is your common noun. For example, boy, country, pen, etc. Proper nouns. A proper noun is the name of a particular person, place, or thing. So that means a particular or a specific name given to a person, place, or thing is a proper noun. For example, Harry. Harry is the name of a boy. Delhi, June, etc. Alright? Collective nouns. Collective noun refers to the name given to the groups of people or things or even animals. Alright? For example, team. A team of players. Army, an army of soldiers. Bunch, a bunch of keys. Flock of birds, etc. Okay? Material nouns. Material nouns are names of material out of which things are made. So this is clear. It can be measured or weighed but cannot be counted. That means in material nouns you cannot count these in numbers. Alright. Although you can measure them or weigh them. For example, gold. You cannot say 1 gold, 2 gold, isn't it? You have to measure it. You have to weigh. You have to take the weight of it. Water. You cannot say 1 water, 2 water. Iron, wood, etc. Abstract nouns. Abstract nouns are words used to describe emotions, qualities, or feelings. It does not have a physical appearance. Okay? For example, honesty, goodness, kindness, etc. So these are all emotions, qualities, or feelings. Okay? And it does not have a physical appearance. Next is your countable nouns. Countable nouns are those that refer to something that can be counted. Okay? For example, bottle, plate, chair, animal, etc. So all these we can count them in numbers, isn't it? 1 plate, 2 plates, 3 plates, animals. There can be any number of animals and so on. Uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are the things that we cannot count in numbers. For example, tea, sugar, air, water, etc. So you cannot say 1 air, 2 air, isn't it? You cannot count the air. You cannot count water. Alright, then next is your singular nouns. A singular noun refers to only one person, place, or thing. So this is simple. For example, girl, city, bird, etc. Plural nouns. A plural noun refers to more than one person, place, or thing. For example, girls, cities, birds, etc. So this is also very simple. Now, next is genders of nouns. So see, in nouns we have genders, alright? So now before that you have to understand what is a gender. So here you can see in the question I have given what is gender. Give example. The noun that denotes a male, female, or a non-living thing is called a gender. Okay, so the nouns, the words that denotes whether a person is a male or female or a non-living thing is called a gender. For example, the first sentence is Amit is a student. So here the word Amit is male. Why? Because it's the name of a boy. Ishika lives in Delhi. So Ishika is female. I have a bat. Bat is neither a female nor a male, but it's a non-living thing. So next is, what are the 4 types of gender? Okay, so now further we'll talk about the types of genders. So let's see, the 4 types of gender are masculine gender, feminine gender, neuter gender, and common gender. So in masculine gender, a noun that refers to a male is said to be of the masculine gender. For example, boy, brother, tiger, actor, etc. Feminine gender, a noun that refers to a female is said to be of the feminine gender. For example, girl, sister, tigress, actress, etc. Now, neuter gender, a noun that refers to a non-living thing, is said to be of the neuter gender. Alright, so masculine and feminine was simple, you could understand, isn't it? That means male and female. But here neuter gender means it's neither a male nor a female, but it's a non-living thing. So a noun that refers to a non-living thing is said to be of the neuter gender. For example, bat, wood, book, pen, etc. So these are your examples of neuter gender. The last one is common gender. A noun that refers to both a male or a female is said to be of the common gender. So that means these nouns are, it can either be a male or a female. For example, teacher, doctor, friend, child, etc. So with these examples you can understand, isn't it? Teacher can be male or female both, doctor can be male, female both, and so on. So children, for today we'll stop here. Alright, as you can see, the first page you'll have to write these definitions. Okay, first write types of nouns as I have given here in the picture. Please write in the same manner in your English grammar exercise book. Okay, so do this, and then even these two questions, what is gender, give example, and what are the 4 types of gender, explain. So this also you have to write in your exercise book. So do this much for today, and we'll continue in our next class.